Deep in West Virginia's Monongahela National Forest, the Spruce Knob-Seneca Rocks National Recreation Area spans 100,000 acres of rugged beauty. Home to the state's highest peak and iconic rock formations, it's a playground for adventurers. Just 3 hours from Washington, D.C. or Roanoke, drive along scenic Route 33 to the Seneca Rocks Discovery Center, your gateway to Spruce Knob's winding forest roads and breathtaking summit views. At 4,863 feet, Spruce Knob is West Virginia's highest point. Climb the observation tower for panoramic views, stroll the Whispering Spruce Trail, and soak in the alpine feel of this unique boreal forest ecosystem. Seneca Rocks, a 900-foot quartzite formation, is a climber's paradise. For a tamer adventure, hike the 1.3-mile Seneca Rocks Trail to the observation platform, where stunning views of the river valley await. With over 75 miles of trails, explore the Spruce Knob-Seneca Creek Loop, a 16.5-mile trek with waterfalls, meadows, and wildlife like deer and black bears, perfect for a day hike or overnight backpacking trip. Step back in time at the site's homestead, a preserved 1800s cabin, or visit Harper's Old Country Store, a Seneca Rocks staple since 1902, offering a glimpse into the area's rich pioneer history. Fish for trout at Spruce Knob Lake, picnic along the river, or take a horseback ride to Seneca Rocks summit with Yoakum's Stables, an unforgettable way to see this iconic landmark. From vibrant fall colors to snowy winter vistas and spring wildflowers, Spruce Knob-Seneca Rocks shines year-round. Visit in summer for cool mountain air or winter for starry nights at this East Coast dark sky spot. Until next time, this is Ken Corson for Corson's Best, encouraging you to discover the authentic America hiding in plain sight. And if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an episode.